Hey fellow investors, I'm changing it up from hey guys to hey fellow investors because let's be honest, anybody that's watching my videos are probably investors or traders, one of the two. So hello traders and investors. As you can see, there's back pain. Yeah, I was working at Superstore today and suddenly I had like the biggest back pain I had in like a while. I was like literally paralyzed, and I had to like sit down a lot. It still hurts like hell like right now. Uh, it's my fault for being lazy because I've been neglecting my exercise since I don't work. I just been at home sitting on the chair most of the time and neglecting exercise. I was like, I'll go to Superstore and exercise. I walk around. So that was a big mistake because I didn't exercise. I had huge back pain today and I had to go home, and it hurts like hell still. I hate being in pain, and right now I'm in pain. It's my fault because like best advice for lower back pain is to remain active and continue to do your exercise you enjoy most. Yeah, I haven't exercised at all. So let's get on to the main subject of this video. T-God. I guess Aurora abandoned T-God. This is the questions and answers from the Vice President on November 2nd, 2018. This is, everyone knows this. This is pretty cool. How's the construction progress at Ancaster and Valley Field sites? And as you can see, at least the Valley Field is looking very, very nice. I think this is the Ancaster right here, so that looks like it's also in process of being developed too. So that's very good to see that both sites are up and are being developed and are ramping up for Q1. But even if they manage to get it done in Q1, they won't be able to plant it until like near the end of Q1. So no production will come out of that facility until Q2, and they won't actually get a sales license until Q3. So T-God won't be able to have massive amount of products until Q3. In Q3, they're going to have to rely on branding and the fact that people are willing to buy organic cannabis. So I guess we'll see what happens in Q3 when T-God released their product. Is the product going to sell well, or is there going to be way too much product on the market? My guess is I think T-God will do well because stoners like to experiment, and when T-God comes out with their product, a lot of people are like, hey, new product from T-God, and they might pick it up and try it. And if T-God does turn out to be pretty good product compared to the rest, then the stock should be valued a lot higher than $3.50 right now. That's all I'm saying. Why, especially when they get the facilities up and running. So why did Aurora sell the free trading IPO stock? They basically avoided this question because they didn't say anything. They just said that Aurora has 15% of the company, and they didn't give a reason why Aurora sold off. On T-God, my suspicion is they had a fight with Cam Batley, and the T-God executives had a fight, and Aurora decided to abandon T-God. How does Aurora milestone option expiry affect T-God? So basically the milestones are basically extinguished, so there's no longer a milestone for Aurora, so Aurora can no longer acquire 50% of T-God. So they're saying that since Aurora is no longer going to be acquiring T-God, they have the ability to partner up with a large beverage, alcohol, a pharmaceutical, or even tobacco company without having the overhang of a third-party competitor LP able to acquire control of our company. They're saying that this is actually good because now an alcohol company can come up and acquire us. My opinion, I mean, it sounds like they want to be acquired by. It sounds like they're building a company to be acquired by a tobacco company or an alcohol company. They want to. Aurora they made intent where they said that they're gonna try to grow the business themselves without being acquired. So I don't know. I don't know what to make of this, but since T-God and Aurora abandoned the milestone options, basically Aurora can now sell T-God stock whenever they want for the capital inside T-God, because Aurora needs capital to execute on the strategy, and with T-God backing out of this deal, with the option expiring, now Aurora doesn't really have, like, they don't need to be a long-term holder on T-God. All they need to do is try to sell out on the T-God shares when they see a good price, so they can raise money to keep executing on this strategy. I don't know why Aurora doesn't use T-God as a trading platform to try to make more money. Maybe it's illegal for a licensed producer to buy into LPs, because they can really affect the price of the stock up and down. Maybe, I'm not too sure. Maybe there's some kind of rule where LPs can't really invest into other LPs unless it's like private placements or raising capital or buyout. There was an important one right here. In order, but you can comment on your share price. Okay, this one right here. The wholly owned industry has trend down in that time frame that T-God November 2nd, 2008 free trade date had placed further downward pressure on our stock. Our share price has moved so much that we believe now the cheapest large scale LP on 2020 EBITDA multiple. See chart below for detailed. T-God at a discount by 2020 versus an industry average for 50 multiple. With the free trading date behind us, our Canadian medical and recreational approaching, I'm confident we will begin to move back to valuations more in line with industry peers. So they're saying that they expect the stock price to move up. That is, I guess, very good. And this is all the shares. They say that that the private retail investors already sold out by doing option trading, by doing shorting margin accounts. So they're saying that those shares got borrowed and they got shorted. So the share price average decline is not gonna, the selling of the price is not gonna be as bad or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. But you gotta remember that Aurora still has a significant amount of shares in T-God at $1.65. They have 33 million shares. So if Aurora decided to sell out, that could affect T-God stock quite dramatically, because Aurora is a big shareholder. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. Who knows? But I am hoping T-God stock goes back to, at least $8, because that will give Aurora the ability to sell out at a very good price, and that's what I'm hoping. But I don't think it'll ever go back to $8. Not for a while. I don't think it'll go back to $8, $7 or $8 until like near next year, maybe like mid to near the end of next year, I guess. That's my guess anyways. For tomorrow's trade, I think it's gonna move to $4, and then it's gonna decline back to like 350. So I think tomorrow's gonna be a very volatile day for T-God. On Monday, this is my prediction that I think Aurora is gonna continue to move up positively, because that's what I think. And there's another reason why I think it's because November 6th, 2018 will be midterm elections for the US. So I think this is going to be affecting the cannabis stocks dramatically, because I think somebody is going to be using cannabis to try to become president, be the next president. So if some kind of news coming out for recreational legalization on the federal level comes out by Donald Trump or his competitor, I totally think they're going to be using the recreational legalization to try to get into to become president, and that's going to really affect stocks. My stock like Anthus, that because it's a direct US play. I also think it's going to affect MedMen, but honestly, I don't like MedMen, so I'm probably not going to buy it, because from my research, it doesn't sound like, I mean, yeah, they have nice assets, they have nice stores, they have nice branding, but from what I researched, management seems to be very greedy, and they pay themselves very high wages. And they give themselves a lot of benefits when it comes to stock prices. I don't like that. That's why I'm not very bullish on MedMen. But even though I think MedMen is gonna go up, I'm probably not gonna buy it. Maybe if it declines back to $5, I might buy a little bit. But you gotta remember too, MedMen's market cap is huge. I don't know why it says 556 million. It's like in the $7 or $8 billion market cap. So that's why I gotta remind you. And if the midterm elections, and Tilray might get affected too, because Tilray has deep connections with the U.S. investors, and so I'm assuming that Tilray stock's gonna definitely get affected with the whole, if United States announce recreational legalization, Tilray stock will definitely be legal, but there's a chance that nothing comes up for recreational legalization in the United States. So there's a chance that nothing will happen, but I'm hoping that Donald Trump or someone else comes up and uses legalization as a way to get into the next president. I know Donald Trump's going to use whatever he can to become president. I know he wants to be president for the next 6 years of his life. So he's already been president 2 years now, and I think he wants to be president for the full 8 years. So he's going to use whatever he can to become president. I am pretty sure on this. But, it's going to be interesting. Tuesday, I think, is going to be either going to be a bullish day, or it's gonna be a bear day. It's gonna be a bull day or a bear day. But November 6th, 2018 will definitely be a very interesting day. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this content. Please subscribe for future updates, and have a great day, or see you Monday. I'm very excited. The weekend sucks. Monday's the best. Bye. Usually Monday is the worst, because it's like people have to go back to work. Not me. I don't work. And now that I have a back injury, definitely not going to be doing very much besides spending my time on the computer. And once my back recovers, I need to exercise and be more active, because my back depends on it. I hate being in pain, and being active is the best way to get rid of lower back pain. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.